Shrimp skewers are a burst of marine flavors, perfect for grilling on a barbecue or on a hot plate. This recipe combines the natural sweetness of shrimp with a fresh, citrusy marinade enhanced by the fragrance of aromatic herbs. Ideal for a summer barbecue or an elegant appetizer, these skewers are easy to prepare and irresistible to the palate. Ingredients: 500 grams of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 garlic cloves, 1 lemon, juice and zest, 1 lime, juice and zest, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, fresh chopped parsley, salt and black pepper, sweet paprika, optional. Preparation: start by preparing the marinade. In a large bowl, mix the juice and grated zest of the lemon and lime, extra virgin olive oil, honey, fresh chopped parsley, and finely chopped garlic cloves. Add a pinch of salt, ground black pepper, and sweet paprika if you want a touch of extra color and flavor. Mix well to combine all the ingredients. Place the peeled shrimp in the bowl. Gently toss them to evenly coat with the marinade. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but up to an hour for a more intense flavor. Prepare the skewers by threading the marinated shrimp onto wooden or metal sticks, trying to distribute the shrimp evenly. If you are using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 20 minutes before using to prevent them from burning during cooking. Preheat a grill or hot plate over medium-high heat. Once hot, cook the shrimp skewers for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and slightly golden. Do not overcook to avoid making them rubbery. Serve your shrimp skewers hot, perhaps accompanied by a light yogurt and lemon sauce or a fresh green salad. Curiosities. For an exotic touch, you can replace the parsley with fresh coriander and add a pinch of grated ginger to the marinade. Additionally, if you prefer a smokier flavor, you can cook the skewers on a charcoal grill to enhance the taste.